back here saying she's good. You guys think so too? Nice job. Time for the men. Tom King. Oh, here he goes. Where are you from, Tom?
I'm from Birmingham.
Oh, he brought the cheering section. How did you get involved?
The internet.
So your clucking comes from years of experience?
No, just paying homage to the faithful chicken before I dine on him.
Well, then let me get in your way. Get it started.
The way I figure is if a chicken had lips, that chicken could sing. And if that chicken could sing, it would certainly sing a song by Miss Patsy Cline.
Because that has got to go on the website. Thank you, Tom. All right, now we've got Hayden Cooper. Hayden, how are you? Where are you from, honey? Right around here somewhere? You want cluck for us? All right, you ready? All right, you ready? Nice job, Hayden. Nice job, Hayden. Nice job, Hayden. Nice job, Hayden. You can just step right back down. Carson Goodwin, you coming on up? Oh, another one. Hey there, Carson. Where are you from?
Moulton, Alabama.
All right, Moulton, you ready to get clucking for us? All right. Give me five, Carson. Give me five, Carson. J.R. Langford. Now, I gotta tell you, JR was calling the station for about 4 hours one morning, trying to get in because he had to prove he can get it done. You ready?
Well, I've been doing this since I was like Carson's age, little guy in elementary, didn't have nothing to do, didn't want to do my schoolwork, so I was over here doing this.
All right, Katie Beth McWhorter, is that right, hon? Where are you from?
Moulton, Alabama.
Oh, Moulton girl. Now, how long have you been doing the chicken impersonations?
First time.
Really? Okay, well, let her rip. I'm going to set that as my alarm clock. Nice job. Give it up for Moulton. Walter Alexander? Were you last year's winner? Oh, looking to defend. Where are you from?
Shoal Creek Valley.
All right, so you are old hat at this. I'm just going to let you get to it. That was so lifelike. Come on, All right, Gerald Marks up next. Oh, he brought a cheering section already. Where are you from?
Decatur, Alabama.
Woo! All right, you ready?
I'm with Stovall Marks Insurance. I learned to do this when I came down here today. I hadn't had any experience at all.
So we're hoping the first time's a charm. Let's go.
I usually lay an egg.